Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get your cPanel login information. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started managing your account. So here you can go ahead and access your account. If you not already have one, you can register for a new one, and if you have one, you can just log in. So let's go and take a look at how we can log into our account. There are two ways to access our login information. First thing is, if we already know our account info, we can log in and then access our dashboard right here. This is our cPanel dashboard which we can access, and from here guys you can go ahead and enter in the settings of your accounts. In the upper right corner you're going to have your account settings that you can open up, and from there you'll be able to take a look at what your username is, and you can reset your password if needed. But if you do not know your information such as your username and so on, you can go into the login option right here, and then from the login section we are going to go and be able to reset our password. So you can see in the login section right here you have the option if you forgot your password. So once you open this up, you want to enter in the email of the account that you're using and submit. Then they're going to go and be sending you an email with your login information such as your password that you can reset, your username and so on, everything you need to get started. So those are two ways to get your login information. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.